right now I'm heading up to Lakeland to go grab a 2016 Yamaha R6 that needs a little bit of fixing up to it, not too much. But dude, I like sharing these interactions with you guys. We're gonna drive hour and a half here and we'll catch you when we're there.
Yeah.
How's it going, man? Reese.
Good, and you?
Nice to meet you, man. Let's check her out.
Here she is.
So you put these fairings on? Oh, this is the tractor.
Yeah.
Yeah, we came here to look at a tractor instead.
Be real nice, yeah. Yep, that's it.
You put these on it?
If you want. I just bought plain white ones. Supposedly they were ready to be painted, but I was just gonna sticker bomb it because I figured that was the cheapest way to make it look somewhat nice again.
You're a sticker bomb type of guy?
Yeah. Well, I mean, I think it looks cool, but also it sounded hella cheap. I don't have to like try to paint match this to this. I can just bomb everything.
Yeah. This was
it would be awesome to see it pretty again. Hey,
this thing will look brand new when I'm done with it.
That's awesome.
I'll take these off though. I thought maybe just paint these, but the issue is the quality of these are really not.
I doubt they fit right. I mean,
yeah, it was originally this color. Do you have any of these plastics or no?
No. I tossed them all. They were all warped and scratched up. And the thing that's broke is going to be this. And
the levers.
Broke. This is bent. This is missing. Other than that, I don't think. To my knowledge, you're more than welcome to spend as much time as you need to look it over. I don't think anything's physically broke.
I don't want to take up too much of your time because of dinner. Yeah,
I appreciate that.
You put all 10,000 miles on it?
Yeah.
Warm up for a second.
Yeah, no worries.
I'm not gonna, I know, you know, for a 16, there's really nothing. These are pretty bulletproof bikes.
Yeah, exactly. The legal amount of over.
It's a little chilly out.
Yes.
You got a dog right there.
Oh my goodness. That happens around here. Woof woof. What are you looking at?
A little chilly. Will you just see the title and yeah, I'll take it.
All right.
Hold that brake and push. But thank you, dude.
Yeah, thank you.
Have a good one.
You too.
Right after I got back, I took the tank off of the bike, and you can see right here it has a little bit of damage to the bottom right side of it, but that's no problem. Danny's gonna fix it up and spray this thing gloss black. I got the 2016 R6 in here. I removed the tank and dropped that off to go get painted, and also right here is the fairing kit. So the 2016s came with this style fairing kit on them, so I'm trying to keep everything looking like the way it should be. I know the 2015s, a lot of them were the white with the red. I thought that looked really cool. You know, I'd rather just go do the blue and the silver. And check this out, dude. This silver looks great. This blue looks great. Super excited to make this bike look nice because, dude, this guy has a 2016 R6 and he puts the cheapest fairings that turn yellow on it. And this just looks awful. And these things creak. They're melted a little bit down here in this section just because they're, you know, like the cheapest ones you could put on it, dude. Look how yellow that is. It's not it. And this bike's super dirty, man. It sat outside, I'm assuming, for a majority of its life. You see how dirty this is? And then when I removed the tank, everything in here is just filthy. What I'm gonna do right now though is I'm just gonna start swapping around these fairings. You know, I'm gonna pull off this tail section, put the blue tail on it, and I'll probably pull off all this stuff and then wheel it outside and start cleaning it. I got new levers for it. I got turn signals. It doesn't even have turn signals in here. And yeah, this is gonna be a pretty simple rebuild, and we're just gonna get her mint, get her on the road, and you know, take her for a rip. I got this 2020 GSX-R 750 that I got in Nashville, and then I also got this R1, this 2014 R1 I got in Nashville too. Had a nice little New Year's out there. Go pick up a bike, dude. The 2014 R1. This thing's minty. Check her out, dude. She has a little bit of... but we're back here, about to get to work, and then I gotta. That's like this, like, it's not dug into this at all. This is just like the paint missing, so I gotta like color match this little section of the frame, and then take care of that little bit of rashing here on this clutch case cover, and then I'll probably pull this off, repaint this. Has nice tires on it and stuff. Like the maintenance, I'm assuming, was all done properly, but just when you sit outside, you don't clean stuff. I hate to see it on a bike this nice. It doesn't look that nice, but this is like, man, it's the 2016 R6. I like these R6s, man. It's the last year of this OG body style, so I'm excited for this. We're gonna get to working on it right now and popping this tail off. Maybe I'll keep this clear windscreen on it. Maybe not. Listen to that. I think this is the first time I've actually done a build on a 2008 to 2016 R6 because I don't remember ever seeing something like this. So right here on the side belly fairing, you got a little air duct on it, and that air duct pushes the air, you know, through here, shoots right up here into the engine. And I think that's pretty interesting. I wonder what the real purpose, just to keep the engine cooler when you're moving. You can see it on that side too. So what I'm doing right now is I'm just popping off these fairings. It looks like he kept all of the OEM hardware on this. I'm gonna be reusing as much of that as possible and putting on the new fairing kit over there. And I also got a nice flush mount turn signals to go inside of this. The way to do this is gonna be pop off both these side pieces, pop off this front piece. It's a whole bunch. How many pieces is this? You got 1, 2, 3, 4 separate pieces for this whole front assembly along with the windscreen. I got a bonus segment here at the end of the video. So today is January 10th and I bought another property here on January 3rd. And right here it is. I was gonna keep it quiet, not really show anyone about it, but I do hold this thing in my personal name. So the whole point of, you know, putting an LLC and then having the LLC owned by a holding company, and it's kind of out the door. It's a pretty nice looking building right here. And I just paid $175 for this unit right here. It's 1,200 square feet of flex space. And you know, this is a rental property for me. I'm gonna show you guys what's going on here. Okay. In here?
Oh, sure that's it right
oh
there.
yeah, you got it running out here.
Yeah, he just took it out and when it was extending it.
So I kind of have to talk in here about it because out there it's kind of off of a main road, but I paid a lot more per square foot for this building because it's a newer building, it looks nicer, and it's off of a road that has a lot more traffic on it. And I'm also trying to buy, I don't know if you guys can see right here, that unit 103 over there, so I can shuffle over a tenant into that one. And I'm trying to buy that in cash right now, and hopefully I can close that by the 25th. That's a good looking unit right there. That's a good looking building. You see right here, you know, you got this whole building. There's 12 units in this. It's a 15,000 square foot building. And then you got another one right here. And then if you go around back, there's some more plots of land right there. And realistically, you know, the thing that I would want to do would be build a whole building, but it's going to cost like 1.5 just to build the building. And then you know, you're gonna have to have your acquisition cost of the land, which is gonna be about like $500,000. And we're not quite there yet, but that's pretty much the future for what, like, you know, this channel will turn into as everyone kind of gets older on this. I'll get cooler stuff, and then I'll start showing the real estate portfolio. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you enjoyed this little like segment at the end. And if you'd like to see more about that stuff and like the properties, and you know, I can start showing that stuff if you guys would be interested in that.